Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by exposing the antenna base quickly. Fold the rear seat or remove the interior trunk panel for direct access. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. This step protects electronics while you work. Use a microfiber to protect trim edges and have a 10 mm wrench and trim pry tool ready for the removal steps. You'll be working from inside toward the roof, so position lights and keep fasteners organized to avoid repeated trips. You now unthread the mast counterclockwise while holding the plastic base steady to prevent wobble and stripping. Once the mast is removed, use the 10 mm wrench to loosen the base nut beneath the trim. Remove the washer and inspect the rubber grommet for cracks because you may reuse or replace it. Then pry the trim ring gently with a plastic tool. Lift the base straight up to free the coax cable. Make sure to feed the cable through slowly to avoid catching clips or sharp edges. You finish by disconnecting the coax connector at the interior end. Press the retaining clip while pulling straight to avoid bending the pin. Once free, inspect the mounting hole and gasket. Clean debris and apply a thin film of dielectric grease if you plan to reinstall to prevent corrosion. Reseat the rubber grommet and torque the base nut to factory spec. Reattach the trim ring and mast if applicable. If reception drops, check the connector seating and tightness. Loose connection is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.